Hi everyone. So today I will present about our group assignment about the statistics, and the topic that we chose is health and lifestyle choices. The first one is Aini, and second one is Shira, third one is Daniel, and lastly it's me, Fidelis. So without wasting our time, we move on to our first question, which is question 3. So the question is about how many hours of sleep do you typically get on a daily basis. So these are the data that we collected from 120 respondents. If you're wondering what are these capitals and also small letters means, the big L means the lower class boundaries, and the big N is the amount of respondents that we managed to get, and the big F is the lower class frequency of this particular model class. The small f is the frequency of that particular class, of that model class, and C is the size of the class. So for me, with the formula that we use, we managed to get 5.6 for our question 3, mean. And then second is mode, we managed to get 5.24, which is in the 4 to 6 hours model class. And the third one is median. Based on our calculation, we managed to get 5.41, which is in 4 to 6 hours median class. For variance and standard deviation, um, firstly, we calculated the total of the number of people first, and we moved to the fx, and next is fx squared. So after we calculate all the numbers, we put it inside the formula, and for variance, we managed to get 3.5613, and for standard deviation, you just need to square root the answer, which we will get 1.8871.
This is question 5, which is how many meals do you typically consume in a day? From our 130 respondents, we concluded that 52% of the respondents eats 2 meals a day. And that is our highest frequency, which is 2 meals a day, which is 63 people. This is the whole data where we ask how many people eat how many meals in a day. So with the meal, we total up all of the respondents with the number of meals they eat in a day, and then we divide it by the number of respondents, which results in us getting 2.33 for the mean. And the next is median, which is the middle of the all of the data if we order it systematically. So after 120 divided by 2, we got the 60th position, which is 2. So we got out of our variance out of the data, which is by using the formula 1 over n minus 1 minus sum of fx squared minus sum of fx to the power of 2 divided by n. So after inputting our data, we can conclude that we got a variance of 0.5642. And for the standard deviation, we just only need to square root the answer of our variance. And after square rooting it, we have 0.7485.
Okay, so next I will continue with remaining question that will support our statistics. So first question, it showed that the most people manage their mental health once in a while. So which is 1 out of 3 of people really monitor and manage their mental health. And this is because we can see that based on question 3 just now, they usually get sleep for 4 to 6 hours only. So maybe we can conclude that most people lead to busy lives, and sometimes they prioritize other aspects such as work, family, or social obligations over their mental health. And then for the next question, question 2, it shows that 55% of people have an adequate sleep, since getting enough sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. So, however, the amount of sleep required varies from person to person. And while the average adult is about 7 to 9 hours sleep per night, but some individuals may need some more or less hours sleep. Next, for the question 4, only 1 out of 5 people definitely maintain a healthy diet, since more than half of them consume meals only 2 times annually. Because most people think that they are not sure in maintaining a healthy diet, since statistic question 5 show that people mostly restricting their meals to only 2 a day. This may limit the variety of quantity of nutrients they consume. For the question 6, the amount of water we drink in a day can have a significant impact on our life, and most people drink at least 4 to 6 cups in a day. Hence, most adults should have to drink 8 glasses of water per day. Okay, so that's all from our group. Thank you.